I want to go through and show you how to reset the service on a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. That's my car. This will also work for 2012, 2014, and 2015 Passats, and I believe some other Volkswagen vehicles as well. They made it really easy. You don't have to do the thing where you hold the lever, click the button, do it 3 times, X, Y, Z, up, down, left, left, right. All you do is you come over here to the steering column or steering wheel here. You hit over until you get to vehicle settings. Then we're gonna cycle down all the way. It's second to last one. It's service. Then we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna go down to reset. It's gonna ask you, do you want to reset? You hit the OK button. Service reset. Now you can go over back to here. Vehicle status. I have a light that's out. I'm going to do that next. Also, if you want to learn how to do lights and other simple mechanic stuff, follow my channel. But you can scroll down and it's going to say service in 10,000 miles or 372 days. So we're ready to go till our next oil change, and that's how you reset the service on a Volkswagen Passat. If this was helpful, subscribe. We'll see you next time.